Hi, this is Dr. Caruso. Thank you for joining me. In this tutorial, we will use Animoto.com to create an instructional video. You will learn how to add text, add images, add a video clip, add music, and save and download your project. Let's head over to Animoto.com to get started. I've already created my free education account, so I'm going to log in. Once you've successfully created your account and logged in, click Create to create a new video. Then select Start from Scratch. Under the Start from Scratch menu, please choose a video style. I am going to choose this first one called Bulletin. And I'm going to keep it in the landscape formation. Now I'm ready to start creating my project. First, I'm going to upload some media that I have already saved to my flash drive. And I'm going to start adding blocks. So the first block I'm going to add is a text block. And this is going to be the title of my video tutorial. And as you can see here, it started creating my block as a storyboard. This block of text is going to show for 5 seconds. To increase or decrease the amount of time that this text shows, click on the seconds and increase or decrease using the plus or minus sign. You can also edit your text. Here I would like the peekaboo to be together with to play peekaboo, so I am going to put the cursor here and I press return or enter on my keyboard. So now the text appears to be a little bit more uniform. If you would like to record something on this slide, click the microphone. Make sure that you have a microphone attached to your laptop or PC and click record. Hi, this is Dr. Caruso. In this tutorial, you will learn how to teach your dog to play peekaboo. And that clip is being saved to this slide. Next, I'm going to add another block. And this time, it's going to be a photo. So I'm going to drag my photo from my media gallery here. And I would like to put some text on this photo. So I'm going to say, start by placing a piece of tape on your dog's nose. And I want this to move down just a bit so it's not covering the entire picture. And I'm happy with this. I can play this to see how it looks. And then I can close it if I'm happy with that. This particular slide is going to show for 6 seconds. I'm going to give it a little more time here. And I'm ready for my next block. And it's also going to be a photo. I'm going to drag it over here, and I'm going to add some text. And again, I want that text to move down a little. And I think I'm going to increase the amount of time to 10 seconds. I'm going to add another block. And this time I'm going to add another photo. I'm going to add some text to this photo. There we go. That's what I wanted to say about this particular slide. It's 8 seconds long. Let's move this up to 10. I'm going to add another block. This time I'm going to say add a little more text here. Okay. This is 11 seconds, and I will increase it just a bit so my learners can read. I add another block here. This time it's going to be a video. And this time I'm going to show the learners how it looks. I'm now going to add music to my video. So I'm going to use audio that's popular for education. I use this one here, or you can look for more songs. Add another block, and this last block is going to give credits to my video. Okay, there we go. crease here. And I'm going to preview to see how all of this is looking. Hi, this is Dr. Caruso. In this tutorial, you will learn how to teach your dog to play peekaboo. Hi, this is Dr. Caruso. In this tutorial, you will learn how to teach your dog to play peekaboo. I'm pretty happy with this, except I noticed that the last name of the artist was left off. So I'm going to continue editing. And I'm going to actually add a block of text. And the music credit will be on its own slide, so I can go back and edit this one. Take the music credit off of there, and here I'll just separate these two, close it, and when you are happy with the result, you would then click Produce, give your project a name, today's date, and even write a description. Click Finished when finished. And then you can decide how to share your video. I am going to choose to download my video. You can choose to download it as an MP4 and then upload it to YouTube, or upload it directly to YouTube here. I'm going to choose to download mine as an MP4. And then I can choose to include this in a website, or I can choose to add it to my portfolio, or later upload it to YouTube if I would like. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this tutorial helpful. For more information on adult learning theories and research in relation to practice in the field of human resource development, please visit hrdevelopmentinfo.com.